Many people want to succeed on Amazon, but only a small group of sellers grow fast and stay profitable. The main difference is not luck. It is data and smart research. Top Amazon entrepreneurs don't guess. They use tools that show what is really happening in the market. One such powerful tool is SmartScout. In this video, we will explain in a very simple way why SmartScout is called the secret weapon of top Amazon sellers and how it helps them make smarter decisions. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow step by step. If you enjoy clear explanations like this or for Amazon and online business tools, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use that link, any special offer or trial for SmartScout that will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the main part of the video and let's understand how SmartScout helps Amazon entrepreneurs. The first reason top sellers use SmartScout is deep market research. Many beginners only look at the product price and sales. SmartScout goes much deeper. It shows brand data, seller data, and category insights. This helps sellers to understand which brands dominate a niche and how strong the competition really is. When you know who you are competing with, you can avoid markets that are too risky. Another powerful feature is brand analysis. SmartScout allows the sellers to search by brand and see how many products a brand sells, how fast they grow, and which categories they dominate. This is very useful for private label sellers. By studying strong brands, sellers learn what kind of products work, how they price, and how they expand. This saves time and reduces the mistakes. SmartScout also helps with seller research. Instead of only focusing on products, SmartScout lets you analyze sellers directly. You can see how many products a seller has, which categories they focus on, and how successful they are. This information helps Amazon entrepreneurs understand real competition and identify opportunities where small sellers can still enter and grow. Another big reason SmartScout is a secret weapon is category intelligence. Some Amazon categories look profitable on the surface but are controlled by big brands or Amazon itself. SmartScout helps sellers identify categories where independent sellers still perform well. This protects new sellers from entering the markets where success is very difficult. SmartScout also helps with product opportunity discovery. Instead of randomly searching products, seller can use SmartScout to narrow down the opportunities based on revenue, review count, and competition level. This saves hours of manual research and gives clear direction. Top sellers value this because time saved means faster growth. Another advantage is risk reduction. Many Amazon sellers lose money by launching the products without enough data. SmartScout helps reduce risk by showing brand dominance, market share, and seller concentration. This helps entrepreneurs avoid products where one or two brands already control most of the sales. SmartScout is also useful for Amazon wholesale and arbitrage sellers. These sellers use SmartScout to identify strong brands and profitable categories before contacting the suppliers. This makes outreach smarter and increases the chance of approval. Instead of guessing which brands to approach, sellers can focus on brands that already perform well. What makes SmartScout special is that it shows the business side of Amazon, not just keywords or listings. It helps sellers think like a real entrepreneurs, not just product hunter. This mindset shift is why top Amazon sellers rely on it. In simple words, SmartScout helps Amazon entrepreneurs research brands, sellers, categories, and markets in a smart way. This saves time, reduces risk, and helps sellers to choose the better opportunities with confidence. That is why many top Amazon entrepreneurs quietly use SmartScout as their secret weapon. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand why SmartScout is a powerful for Amazon sellers, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try SmartScout with any available offer that will be applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.